for me, they don't hire the first order based off their brains. Okay, so they're pretty easy to outsmart.
Here at Hollywood Studios, we'll go on a couple of rides, take you to Planet Batu, and maybe a little shopping. What do you think? He's so excited. Grogu. Oh, let's see. What are they gonna say? Yeah?
Hey, howdy, hey! Andy set up his coaster track, and Slinky Dog is ready to help you ride like the wind.
Uh-oh. He just saw his kind right now. But look, he saw... Oh, boy. He sees some family. Look, and he has the same necklace as you. Say, look at Tiffany. Hi, Tiffany. He wants to see Groot. Look at Groot. Oh, and look. He found the little brother. And that's a little bag. Yeah, it's a twin. Oh, it looks like he found his kind. It looks like Mando didn't... Oh! Uh-oh. He found his kind. Oh, yeah. He's excited. Look at him. I know. No, you have to come back with us. You can't just stay here. You don't want to stay here, do you? He's happy. What do you think about Groot? Oh no. He found a blankie and he found some Rice Krispies. Oh, he's having too much fun. He's so famous. Yeah, you're so cute. You like all these Rice Krispies? How many you want to get? You want to get 3 for your friends? And then he loves this blanket. Look, you ate too many snacks. Uh-oh. He wants to go night-night on his blankie. Oh, he likes it. We have to buy it now. Why'd you just find out? He just keeps getting into trouble and he's hungry. He found a bunch of porky nuggets. Look. He thinks these are like chicken nuggets, like porky nuggets.
Oh my goodness. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, he did. He's enjoying your Goofy hat.
Oh my goodness. I like your necklace.
Thank you. Oh, he's so excited right now to be in Toy Story Land. And look who's behind me, Woody. Toy Story Land. You want to go see Jessie and Woody?
I'd like to ask you all.
You want to go on the Slinky ride? He loves roller coasters. You're ready for a Slinky ride, aren't you? Yeah, he wants to go on Slinky. Slinky Dog. Let's go on Slinky Dog. He's requesting it, so we have to go.
Well, pull my string. We've got a whole bunch of new toys to play with. Welcome.
Here we go.
Oh boy, look. Uh-oh. Millennium Falcon, 55 minutes. Actually, that's not that bad. But the line seems so long right now.
That's not too bad, guys.
What happened?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, yeah, 55 minutes. It just seems long because if you look at the line, it's 6 feet distance between each person. That's why it seems a long line. Well, let's show them, huh?
We're in Toy Story Land.
Oh yeah, true, we are. True, the line goes all the way into Toy Story Land for the Millennium Falcon. What do you think, Baby Yoda? Grogu, what do you think? You want to make the line shorter, huh? Well, let's go check it out. Let's go see if we can find Kylo. Look, he's making the line go faster. Yeah. You making it go faster? Grogu, I know we can't make the line shorter, but that does not look like 55 minutes. It looks a lot longer, doesn't it? Don't you think that's a lot longer? Yeah, he does. Look at the line. We've never seen the line that long to the Millennium Falcon. So no, we are not gonna ride that piece of junk, and you're not gonna break it down. And we're not gonna see Chewie today, because Chewie's busy. Yeah, he's really busy right now.
He said wait. Wait. Okay. Wow. Pretty good.
He's looking really hard. Oh, you see one? Do you see one? We can get some chicken nuggets.
Let's go. Here. The First Order may call you to serve. Will you join us?
Here in the courtyard, though.
What matters is not what you say, but what I have seen.
Are you ready to go on Toy Story Mania? He's ready. Let's go. It's his first time. He's excited. Let's go on Toy Story Mania. Let's go. Oh, he's so excited. Mr. Potato Head. And there's Woody. He's playing with all the toys. He likes the music. Let's go. Let's continue, Grogu. Let's go. They quite fit on you, don't they? Uh-oh, he found some more shields. He found more Uh-oh, he's falling asleep, but we're gonna go on a ride. We're gonna go on the ride right now. Grogu's ready for another new ride for him. He's gone on so many rides, huh? Yeah, look at him. Don't fall asleep yet. Grogu, it's our turn. Oh, he's ready. Let's see what score Grogu gets.
Hey, partner! Welcome to the practice game.
Go ahead, who's ready?
Watch those pies.
I just can't take this kind of pressure.
Oh, great job, Deputy.
Our command will be proud.
Here's the name and it doesn't like
That's down the animals. If you want to shoot farther, aim higher.
Keep that fox out of the hen house.
Small targets are worth more.
Let the string go back in after you pull.
One for every ectos. You're clear to right away. Try removing target.
Cross your rings to infinity and beyond. Ready out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time for rookie to shoot. Prospector, sit down the mine car.
Recon, go finish mine.
It's your last game.
Faster, faster. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Now mosey on down to the prize booth.
Oh, way to play, everyone.
Oh, did great.
Wow, everyone's a winner. Thanks for playing, partners.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Grogu, what did you get? 207,600? Whoa! You did a good job. He loves all the Christmas decorations. He likes the ones here at Hollywood Brown Derby. Let's look at them again. You want a pretzel? He's like staring at all the popcorn and pretzel. He loves snacky snacks. Oh, he loves the smells. This is like a vortex for him. He loves being near water.
What a beautiful family. I love your hat, by the way. That's awesome. Hey, Merry Christmas, guys. Good to see you. How you doing today?